Alright, so if I look at this feature here, I have, you should recognize this as drawing 3. I've put my name, date, and period, and the drawing number all lined up with their prompts exactly. And if I look at the front view of this block, then I will see that the bottom and the top are parallel, and this side, the left side, and the right side are fully parallel. Therefore, I can use the box feature. And I should count this. I'm going to count up 1, 2, 3 spaces up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces across. All right. So now I know how to make that box, and I go down here and go up 1, 2, 3 spaces, and nothing will show up until I give it that second dimension. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces across. Great. Now, if I look through here and I had X-ray vision, if I had a supernormal power, then I could see this thing here. So that's pretty cool, and that happens in an orthographic drawing. It's called a hidden line. So I'll go over here to my line type on this side, far right hand side, and I'll switch this, hit the bottom button 2 times, and get a nice dash line there. And then I'll come across here like this and have that nice dash line. It's the only time I'm going to use that, so I'm going to pop back up to my solid line type, and then I'm going to put some projection lines up. So I'm going to use the red color, and I'm going to reset line, and I'm going to come up here from every corner of the front view. Now if I look at this in a 3-dimensional format, and I go to the regular front view, now I pull this down, what I would be seeing would be this situation right here. 3 horizontally oriented boxes or rectangles standing on top of each other. So I'm going to now draw this, and this is great because I can use that box feature again. I go from projection line to projection line. Uh-oh, I didn't do it with the right color. Well, I could just go over that, no problem. Reset my box and just go over that box. There we go. Draw that. And you'll notice that shape from what we just saw on the 3-dimensional drawing. Now I need some projection lines going off to the right. So I'll go over here, hit the line, then every corner of the front view. Alright, now I'm going to draw the right-hand side, but let's take a look at see what we would draw on the right-hand side first. I'm going to reset this to the front view, and then I'm going to rotate this from the right. I'm going to reach in and grab it with my cursor on the right-hand side and turn this around until I would see it exactly from the right-hand side. This U shape here is what I would draw. I'll go back to Auto Sketch. Make sure I'm in black for my object lines. I like to use line in this feature because if I mess up, I can erase one line. If I use polyline, then I end up having to erase the whole thing, even if most of it was correct. And then I come across here. Now my drawing is done, and I'm going to go to File, Save As, and I'm going to navigate, double-click in here on my H drive, and then once I got this path to read H:\TechX, then I would save it with my initials and Ortho 3 for the third drawing. My first name initial, last name initial, Ortho 3. And I would say save.